This is a continuation of the 1370002 fumble belt. What I did was if you look at the bottom of the screen there, you can see those 3 empty spaces. I needed more pattern material, so I had to make 3 extra pieces. That's what you were seeing in the 002 series. Yeah. So I had to make those in order to get them to get the belt pattern completed. Still though, I did not use this. I used the belt pattern for the same belt pattern I used for the red dress. But like I said, I kept this. I mean, why throw it away? So anyways, the beat you're hearing is my janky beat, my first beat that I ever made, with the Akai LPK 25 keyboard, synthetic keyboard. I don't know. I'm a fashion designer. What am I doing here? I know I stamped them all, and I put the holes in them to hang them, and I put a ruler back on them. What am I doing? I really need to fix that hair. I promise I will fix the hair. You guys go ahead, come for me. I expect it. And the reason I changed that pencil is because my batteries were low. Maybe I'm tightening up the pattern. That can be the only thing that I'm thinking. I think that I could be doing was making it more accurate. Oh, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I know what I did. That's why I show these to you guys. What I did when I made this pattern, I put 1/2 inch seam allowances on it, and I didn't want 1/2 inch seam allowances on it. I wanted 1/4 inch seam allowances on it. And so there you see me literally remaking the pattern so it has a 1/4 inch seam allowance, or seam allowance, instead of a 1/2 inch, because I'm trying to save fabric, and I'm trying to step my game up and not be so one-track minded. Yeah. I mentioned when I was doing the red dress that around some of the armpits, and especially around the neck and the collar, the seam allowance is 1/4 inch. It isn't 1/2 of an inch. So for whatever reason, I got it in my head to make these. See, I'm cutting off 1/4 of an inch. So the seam allowance is 1/4 of an inch and not half an inch. I don't know. It's just, I think I'm a badass. I'm in myself, you know. I'm a little bit of narcissistic in there. I just think that I'm the shit, you know. And I don't know why I think that way, but it's there, and I have to deal with it. Anyway, I'm coming up on the end of this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. That green text there, that's my Shopify account website. I appreciate your views. Again, stay tuned. I will be making more dresses with different fabrics, as I said in the 002 series. Just same dress with pockets in a different fabric. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.